In other news, this is an absolute shocker from the Hindu Mahasabha of the Mysuru temple demolition. A midnight temple demolition in Mysuru days ago has snowballed into an all-out political war in the BJP-ruled state. Hindu groups have continued to condemn the demolition that was part of an anti-encroachment drive in the city. The latest to go on an all-out attack against the BJP is the Hindu Mahasabha.
We killed anti-Hindu Gandhi. Don't think we will spare you. Don't think we can't get to you. Won't think twice when it comes to you.
From
right-wing Hindu Mahasabha to the Bommai government in Karnataka over demolition of a temple in Mysuru earlier this month. Despite break to SC mandated demolition drive by state government.
ನಾವು ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿನೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ನಮಗೆ? ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿನೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಹಿಂದೂಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ನಡೆದಿರುವ ದಾಳಿಯನ್ನು ಖಂಡಿಸಿ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯನ್ನ ಹತ್ಯೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೀರಾ ನೀವು?
Nanjangud, a town in Mysuru, is in the eye of a political storm over demolition of a temple deemed illegal by authorities. Days after the demolition drive on the orders of the Supreme Court, this is what remains at the spot. A rubble, broken idols and hero stones with inscriptions. A temporary temple built with aluminium and plastic sheets has already come up. The local residents are upset with the manner in which the authorities went about the demolition.
Suddenly that government came with police force. They came at night. We can't expect that someone will come like that. All are sleeping at night to 2:30. They arrived here, started demolishing. You hold the police feet. Even though they are not ready to accept. They said you can't come like this. Stand there. If you come here, you will start lathi charge.
The villagers claim the temple is not just 12 years old, as the administration claims, but dates back centuries.
ಪೂರ್ವಜರು ಆ ಚೋಳರ ಕಾಲದ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠೆಯ ವಿಗ್ರಹ ಮಹಾದೇವಮ್ಮ ಭೈರವೇಶ್ವರ ಅಂತ ಏನು ವಿಗ್ರಹ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಆ 800 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಪೂರ್ವಜರು ಏನು ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವರ್ಷ ನಿತ್ಯ ಕೊಂಡೋತ್ಸವ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಮುಗಿದೊಂದು ಹಬ್ಬ ಹರಿದಿನಗಳು ಅವಳ ಹೆಸರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಕಾರವಾಗಿ ನಾವು 7-8 ತಲೆಮಾರುಗಳಿಂದ ನಾವು ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದೋ.
The Congress, the principal opposition party in the state, has questioned the entire exercise.
Early in the morning, 4 o'clock, they come and demolish this temple. So we will condemn the demolition of what government have taken a decision. We condemn the decision.
Mysuru district officials claim they merely followed the orders sent for demolishing illegal religious structures across the state. They also said that the temple was not on Archaeological Survey of India maps. The political slugfest has forced the BJP government to promise a relook at its demolition drive, which has been halted for now.
Now, while the Congress has decided to play the soft Hindutva card in this temple demolition case, the BJP is clearly on a back foot, with Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai now ordering a halt to any further temple demolition drive until the government can once more study the Supreme Court order in detail. With video journalist Shivamurthy Gurmat, Nolan Pinto for India Today.